Delhi's water crisis has escalated to dramatic levels. Shocking scenes of protests emerged from the Delhi Municipal Corporation House. BJP and Congress MLAs holding pots and placards raised slogans against the Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. It seems, AAP's India ally Congress has turned up heat even as Delhi struggles to quench its thirst. BJP councillors carried earthen pots and raised Jai Shri Ram and Bharat Mata Ki Jai slogans. Amid the drama, Mayor Shaili Oberoi passed several proposals before adjourning the House. While dramatic scenes emerged from inside the MCD House, protests continued outside. BJP workers also hit the streets against the ruling Aam Aadmi Party over its alleged water mismanagement. Earlier, Delhi Water Minister Atishi went on an indefinite hunger strike. The AAP leader accused the Haryana government of not releasing 100 million gallons per day of water. Atishi claimed, Delhi's water requirement is of 1,005 million gallons per day, of which 613 million gallons comes from neighbouring Haryana. However, AAP alleges that Haryana has only been sending 513 million gallons of water. Atishi added that 1 mgd of water can serve 28,500 people. So if Haryana is sending 1,000 million gallons less water to Delhi, it ultimately affects around 28 lakh people. BJP-led Haryana government refuted the charges blaming the AAP-led Delhi government of cheap politics over water. The Saini government also claimed Haryana has been supplying water according to the mutual agreement. Several parts of Delhi have been facing an acute shortage of water supply amid an unprecedented heatwave. According to a report by Moody's Ratings, India's escalating water shortage amid rapid economic growth and frequent natural disasters poses a threat to the nation's sovereign credit strength. Each summer, millions of Indians face acute water shortages as demand surges in farms, offices, and homes, far outstripping the limited supply. In 2024, a prolonged heatwave has further strained water resources, particularly in Delhi. The report further adds that climate change, which is leading to more frequent and severe water shortages and extreme climate events, will likely worsen the situation due to India's heavy reliance on monsoon rainfall for its water supply.